Hey there, running enthusiasts. Ever wondered what happens to your body when you dedicate just 30 minutes every day to hitting the pavement? Well, you're in for a treat, because that's exactly what we're diving into today. But before we lace up those running shoes, hit that subscribe button to join our community of fitness enthusiasts. Now let's unravel the incredible journey your body takes when you run for 30 minutes every day. 1. Cardiovascular symphony, heart health boost. Let's kick things off with the heart of the matter, literally. Daily running is a cardiovascular symphony that strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, and reduces the risk of heart-related issues. We'll explore how those 30 minutes contribute to a healthier ticker. 2. Endurance evolution, building stamina and lung capacity. Strap in for an endurance evolution. Running daily for 30 minutes enhances your stamina and lung capacity. We'll delve into how this routine transforms your respiratory system, leaving you less breathless and more capable of taking on life's challenges. 3. Calorie crunch, weight management magic. Burning calories becomes a breeze with daily running. We'll uncover how those 30 minutes contribute to weight management, helping you shed excess pounds and maintain a healthy body composition. Spoiler alert, it's not just about the miles, it's about the metabolic magic. 4. Mood makeover, endorphin, rush and stress relief. Ready for a mood makeover? Daily running releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones providing a natural stress relief remedy. We'll discuss the mental health benefits that come with a daily dose of running, leaving you happier and more relaxed. 5. Muscle engagement, full body workout magic. Running isn't just a leg day affair. Those 30 minutes engage various muscle groups, giving you a full body workout. We'll explore how running tones your legs, strengthens your core, and even works those arm muscles. Spoiler alert, running is the ultimate multitasker. Conclusion. And there you have it, the transformative effects of running for just 30 minutes every day. If you found this journey fascinating, give it a thumbs up, share it with your running buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness adventures. Lace up those shoes, hit the road, and let's make every run count. Thanks for joining us today. If you have your own experiences or questions about daily running, share them in the comments below. If you're considering taking up running and want to know what to expect before you start, this video is for you. Watch it on the screen now to get insights and tips for a successful start to your running journey. Lace up those shoes, hit play, and let's get you ready for the road ahead. Until our next run, keep those sneakers moving, stay active, and enjoy the incredible benefits of your daily 30-minute run. See you in the next video.